demanding a CBI investigation. And he's not the only one, is what we're learning. There are at least 3 cases that have been filed up until now in the Calcutta High Court demanding a CBI investigation. Komalika continues to be with us, getting us more details. Komalika, the chorus only growing. Even the protesting doctors there want a CBI investigation.
Yeah, CBI investigation was the demand for the very first day. The BJP did say for the very first day that they require CBI investigation. Yesterday we have seen the Sukhanto Majumdar, who is the state president and also the minister. He wrote to JP Nadda, the health minister, demanding a CBI investigation. Today what we are getting, Shubhendu Adhikari and Kaustav Bagchi and another person. So three petitions have been filed in Calcutta High Court demanding CBI investigation. They are demanding that they don't have faith in the police out here, and that's why they require CBI investigation. So that is one thing. On the other hand, as far as the administration is concerned, the police has also stated that they are ready to take, if the family wants, any probe can take place. They are okay with that. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also said it on Saturday that they are ready if the family demands that the investigation will take place from any other agency, that will be taken. But here there is a technicality. How CBI investigation takes place. If state refers, then CBI investigation can start, and also if the court directs. Now till now the state has no problem with CBI investigation, but what we are getting it from the sources, the state feels that the Kolkata police is doing a good job and they have formed a seat. If the court says that, if the family says, they don't have any problem. But the state government is not going to, till now what we are getting is not going to refer for a CBI investigation. On the other hand, there has been these cases now filed in the court. We really have to see that whether the court gives CBI investigation or not. Because the uproar is definitely, the protest, the movement is not now only in Arjikar, it is all over Bengal, and not all over Bengal, it is nationwide.
Absolutely, and the chorus is only going to escalate unless more heads roll, unless there is stricter action in this particular case. The protests have spread not just in Delhi and in Kolkata, but across the country. Different cities are now waking up, trainee doctors hitting the streets in protest. We'll keep an eye out on that. I request Sherin and Komalika to continue to stay on with us. Time for a short break though here on this edition. We'll be back with more updates on the other side.